Today we're doing an oil change on a 2012 Chevy Sonic. So it had the error code over here saying number 82. 82 is the same as the oil change. So in order to clear that, you want to go to this lever here and click menu. I had just reset the entire thing, so you want to get to menu until it tells you oil percentage, and then on the side of the lever there's a set clear button. You want to push and hold it. I already did it, but it'll beep after about, I want to say about 10 seconds, and then you'll reset that light. So that'll get rid of your 82 code, which is basically the maintenance reminder. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.